All right, hold on. Can you guys see the ground here? All right. I don't know. Where am I?
Wait, one second.
Oh, shoot. Sorry. Did I drop something? Yeah, I just have a seat.
Okay.
I think I'm all right.
Yeah?
Yeah, I should be okay.
Really?
Yeah.
You look pretty pale.
I'll get some. I'm white.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm Danish. That's why I'm pale.
Okay.
It's, I don't go out in the sun too much. I had this donut here. I think I had too much sugar this morning. I don't know. I'll be okay.
Do you have a history of seizures?
Not a big history. I'll be
No?
fine.
I actually think